How to unblock someone on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. Unblocking someone on Instagram is quick and easy, and all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open Instagram on a device. Now here on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find a profile icon. So tap on it. Then once you go to your profile, here on top right hand side, you will find these three horizontal bars. So tap on it again. So now if you scroll down a bit, here you will find this option, so blocked. So simply tap on it, and then there you go. Here you will find all the list of the person that you have blocked. Since I have blocked only this one individual account, so here you will see this option to unblock. So simply tap on unblock. Then once you do this, you will reach to their profile, tap on unblock again. Then you will see this pop-up saying, do you really want to unblock this account? Again tap on unblock. There you go. Once you unblock it, you can see their contents, you can message them, you can have a chat with them, you can see their post. So this is how you can unblock someone on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.